I'm going to show you how to marinate meat, be it pork or chicken. So it's a very simple and easy ingredient. I normally do a batch marinating, marinate a handful of meat, then I'll separate into different small container for future use. I'll show you the method now. So this is the pork, and today I'm using pork. I slice it to the size that I want. I actually slice it to small pieces and thin, so it's easy to use. So what I normally use to marinate is first I'll have sesame oil, salt, any spices that you want, but today I'm using oregano and black pepper. So first, and also now one thing is corn flour. I'll take, it depends on how much pork you have, but I'll normally take one spoon, the metal spoon, 2 spoons actually, 2 spoons. Then I will have about half a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle it around. Oregano. What I like about herbs is that it really makes the meat smells nice, and some black pepper. It depends of the spiciness that you want. I don't really put a lot because my boys don't like spicy. And I'll sprinkle some corn flour. Why I put a corn flour? Because it's actually make it smooth, tender when you cook it. So I'll just mix it. I really like the smell of the sesame oil. I use a lot of sesame oil in my cooking. And I'll add a little bit more oregano. I really love the smell. It depends, if it's not enough, then just add it. I'll add a little bit more of corn flour. A little bit will do. Okay,